Hey people, this is just a simple traditional Jamaican boiled corn recipe where I boil the corn on the cobs, and I purchase 3 corn on the cobs in the market. Therefore, they're not perfect as the imported ones in the market, in the supermarket I should say. Nevertheless, they are perfect enough for me, and I rather to purchase Jamaican locally grown corn. I get fresh corn in the market. The ones in the supermarket, they are from either the US or Canada, and they can be in the supermarket for a very long time because they are really expensive. Now I wash the corn with some vinegar and water, clean them up. Wash them with vinegar and water because, you know, so that if any worm eggs are on the corn, a vinegar will get rid of it. You know, a doctor once told me that if worms are not in the in the in the field, the food is not good for you. So I often wash my whatever food that comes from the field, whether it's yam or anything like that. I always wash everything. Now, traditionally, well, I should say old time tradition days, they use scallion, pepper, and some salt just to season the corn and give it a kick. However, green seasoning I use, the green seasoning consists of the scallion, the thyme, the green peppers, garlic, and onion. And I also use a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning and salt, of course. And so I boil the corn for like 20 minutes, and yeah, so I let the corn remain in the seasoned water until I'm ready to eat it. And Jamaicans do not pour melting butter onto the corn. No, we don't. So that's it. Perfectly boiled healthy corn. Try the recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. You can follow me on Instagram at Yard Cooking and News. Thanks for watching.